Hi, I'm Carlos Niemes of PuroClean of Pembroke Pines, also serving surrounding areas like Cooper City, Davie, Dania Beach, Hollywood, Fort Lauderdale, and more. You're probably here because you need restoration service due to property damage, or perhaps you need one of our other services. We are here to help you as quickly and efficiently as possible. You have come to the right place. We are the paramedics of property damage, thoroughly screened, fully insured, and industry certified to remediate residential and commercial property damage. We are confident in what we do because we have a proven track record and deliver outstanding customer service. We treat you like family with compassion and care while still being professional. Call us at 754-732-8383 for help at any time, day or night, 24/7 to restore and rescue your property.